How to create a private channel on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a private channel on Zoom, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Zoom and then go to contacts right here down below, click on the contacts option, and now it will take you to this page. You need to choose the channel option right here. After you click on the channel option, now go to the top corner and click on this plus icon. And here you go. Now right here you will find create a new channel. Click on it and now choose the name of the channel. And if you want to set it public, you can set it private here. This is the private, and you can choose if you want external users can be added or not, and then click next like this and click create. And here you go, this is the channel. It's created, easy and fast, as you can see. Now you can send message, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.